Hello guys, welcome to our new video, that is what to do when your external hard drive won't show up. So we are going to solve this problem with step by step manner. We have some step by step solutions for this problem, that is how we can do, that is, or what to do when your external hard drive won't show up. Okay, so for that what we have to do is we have some solutions that we have to implement, but there are not that much solutions for this, so we have some minimal solutions that we will see. Okay, so external hard drives back up your most important files, but what happens when they malfunction? Here's what to do if your device is not detected in Windows and Mac. Okay, so this is my Mac, so make sure it's plugged in and powered on. Okay, so you have to, if you are using Windows, then you have to make sure that it's plugged in and power on. Okay, and that is the if your drive came up with AC power adapter but you haven't plugged it in, or try hooking it up. Okay, if it came with the USB plugs, make sure they are both plugged into your PC, and with any luck your drive will appear normally once it gets the juice it needs. Okay, so second is try another USB port. Okay, so you can try another USB port. You can try go to the settings, you can go to the settings, you can go to storage, and you can check there, that is, I will type here storage settings. Okay, you can see here it will show up here if you are not connected. Okay, so next solution is very genuine solution for this, that I have shown already, that we have very minimal solutions for this problem. So next is updating your drivers. So for that what we will do is we have to open device manager first. So I will simply type here device manager, and I will click on OK. So you can see here in front of us device manager is open. Okay, so after that in the device manager what we have to expand is we have to see for disk drivers. So you can see on the from the top to the bottom, it is the 6th number position, that is disk drivers. So also you will be seeing that in your PC's configuration options in the device manager, you can see here the disk drives. So I will expand it, and I will right click on that to expand it, that is disk drivers WDC. So that what we will do is we have to open that RFT. We have to right click on that, and we have to click on properties. After that you can see here the 6 options, that is general policies, volumes, drivers, details, and events. So what we have to go for is we have to go for drivers, and what I will do is I will click on update driver, and it will show here how do you want to search for drivers. So I will put here, that is, I will click here on the search automatically for drivers. Okay, so I will click on search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so what I will do is update your drivers, then I will close it. So it's showing that its drivers are already installed. Okay, and next is our enable and format the drive in disk management. So next solution is enable and format the drive in disk management. So what we have to do is create a format hard disk partitions options, that is, if your drive is powered on but still isn't appearing in the file explorer, it's time to do something digging. Open the start menu, type disk management. So for that what we have to do is disk management. We have to type here disk management. Then what we will be opening here is create and format hard disk partitions, that is create and hard disk partitions. For that what we will do is clean the disk and start from scratch. For that what we have to do is disk 2 is now the selected disk, that is disk part. So for that what I will open that is diskpart.exe. okay, so create and format disk partitions, that is disk management is you can type here disk management, open. After this it will be open here, so that after that you can, once disk management loads, scroll down to see your disk appears in the list. okay, clean the disk and start from scratch. You can click here, format this and start from scratch. So thanks for this video guys. Hope you guys find your solution in this video. Thank you.